have to go through this season in order to get to the next. That's why we're so special and unique. Everyone is literally not the same. Comparison is a thief of joy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing the chit chat get ready with me. I talked a little bit about my business, seasonal depression, spirit of comparison, and just a few other things. So if you guys want to see what we talked about and you want to see me do my makeup, just keep on watching. What's up guys? It's been a long time since I recorded a video, and honestly, it hasn't been a long time since I recorded a video. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I think it's been a little bit over a month, almost 2 months. Maybe it's probably already been 2 months, honestly. But I did film a few videos. I just never uploaded them or whatever. And honestly, like life, like, you know what I mean? Like, life has been happening. So the first thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is seasonal depression, and how it has been affecting me this season. I had noticed, I want to say last year maybe, is when I kind of found more information out about seasonal depression, and you know exactly what it was and stuff like that. And once I got into once I became more intuitive and just really in touch with my emotions and how I was feeling, I had reflected on my past years and noticed that I had been feeling this sense of depression and downness since I was a junior in high school, and I really didn't know what it was. Like around holiday time, I just always felt so disconnected from everybody. I just didn't want to be around anybody. But it's like I wanted to be around people, but when I got around people, it didn't fulfill me. And so, you know, that's what I've been honestly dealing with the last, I want to say like month and a half. I've been really, really down and just really trying to get to a better place, and don't let that kick me. I'm trying not to just stay there. That's the thing. I'm trying not to just stay at that low vibration of myself, because it's hard. It's like really hard, because some days are really good days, and then other days it's just, I don't have like an explanation of why. It's just I start thinking of all kind of things, and then it just makes me feel worse or whatever. And yeah, so that's been what's been going on. So just trying to get back into things that really help me. Like I'm dance coach, if you guys didn't know. That's helping me because we just started practicing and having games. Reading is helping. Yoga, yeah, those types of things are really what is, you know, helping me get through this time the most, and my family and my boyfriend, of course. So yeah, that's what's been going on with that. So I've been dealing with that or whatever too. So just keep me in your prayers, and if you have any suggestions on like what could help me during this time, definitely like comment that down below, because I would definitely like, you know, use it or whatever. I wanted to talk a little bit about where I am when it comes to my business. So we are back in the mock-up design stage. So I had, like I said, I got the sample, and the sample was perfect. It's just the sizing wasn't what I was looking for, and I wanted it to be a little bit more meaningful because of how I feel about this particular product that I'm coming out with, and how it has helped me so much or whatever. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a baby wing. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a baby wing liner. I'm thinking about doing like a week of like a social media break where my focus point is solely on my business, so I can get some work done, so I can get some posts already um, photographed or pre-programmed, so I know what is posted, what scheme I'm gonna go with, because I'm in that stage too where I need to be getting the marketing side together. I have some ideas. I just have to actually, like, you know, go through with them or whatever. So let me do this little wing. Oh, it's dry. Oh, okay. My gel eyeliner dried out, so I'm gonna do liquid. Really trying to remain focused and positive, because, you know, it's really hard during this time. Like I said, with me battling with seasonal depression right now, it's just a really, like, difficult time, like, for me. Just trying to stay positive is really kind of like the hardest part, honestly. Because I'm naturally creative. I naturally am a creator. And so that's not even the hard part. Like, just being creative and getting to that point is really just not feeling down while doing it. You know, I just feel, you know, a sense of like feeling really, really down during this time. So that's like the hardest part for me right now. And so I'm gonna just continue and really just keep praying and just, you know, keeping a positive mind or whatever. So also too, I have been really feeling like I don't want to do YouTube anymore. But it's more so like in a sense of like, I hate this camera sometimes. It's not like more so in the sense of like, oh, you know, I don't want to do YouTube anymore. It's really not even that. It's kind of like, it just feels like, I just know for sure that I don't want to do YouTube as a career. Like, that's not what I want to do. I don't want to just do that as an everyday job. That's not something that I really want for myself. And so I found that I was taking the fun out of why I started YouTube in the first place, because it's just the outlet. Like, I just wanted to share with people what I like doing. Like, I like doing my makeup. I like showing off my clothes. I like telling people what I got for this amount of price for cheap. You know, like, that's the kind of thing that I like doing. If you hear something, it's this ugly ass man. Sorry if you hear noise. It's really just not feeling like it's a job, and that's what I don't want, because I'm going to school for my career. Like, I'm in college right now to get my degree and do what I want to do and walk in my purpose. But I just also too kind of want to just share that with people. So I was just thinking, like, it won't be any rules to my YouTube channel. It's not going to be a set date of when I'm going to post a YouTube video. It's not going to be a set channel of what kind of video I'm going to post. I just want to post. I just want to do my own thing. Like, that's the way I feel like my life is too. Like, I want my life to be. Like, I'm going to do what I want to do, how I want to do it, whenever I want to do it. Because when you have so much restrictions, when you have so many restrictions on things, it just really takes the fun out of, like, every single thing. So it's kind of like, I don't like that. Honestly, it's just, I'm in a rough and a hard spot because I want to build my social media platforms for my business. But then at the same time, I just don't want to be too connected into social media because the shit is just not real. It's horrible. And it's just really deterring us away from who we actually are, I think. And so one of my goals too also with social media is to bring reality, you know, bring realness to social media. Now social media is so fake, you got people thinking that realness is not normal. You know, I encourage everyone to just really stay true to themselves and don't lose focus, don't lose sight of that. Like, it's just, when you are not mentally mature and stable to stand in who you are, you'll fall for anything. Yeah, I'm the type that be wanting to speak on it. You know, I'm the type that be wanting to call people out because I'm a person that really picks up on energy really well. Like, I pick up when people aren't being themselves. I pick up on people when people are being envious or jealous hearted or whatever the case may be. I pick up on all of that. So I just be wanting to be like calling everybody out on their shit, but it's like I can't do that because it's like not my place. But I can also be an advocate and advertise realness, and be an advocate and advertise being authentic and being who you were created to be. That's why we're so special and unique. Everyone is literally not the same. Literally. And it's like, if you really knew what you were capable of and who you really are and how God created you to be, you would not be trying to keep up and trying to be something that you're not. You know, so that's one thing that I love about myself, is when people like me and people are attracted to me and people are prone to just be like, oh, well, you know, I like her. You like me because I'm being me. Okay, boo. Okay. Of course, he wants to stop doing this crap outside when I'm done with the video. Comparison is a thief of joy. You literally get robbed out of a magnificent life because you are comparing yourself, comparing your life to somebody that you don't know. I'm saying this from experience. Constantly looking, it's like, dang, like my time isn't here. Everybody else moving, and it's like, I know I'm a good person. I know I have a pure heart. I know I'm out here faking. I had to really stop and tell myself that the season that I am in right now is for my greater good. I have to go through this season in order to get to the next. That is, he has to teach me stuff in order for me to get to that place that I need to be. I can't be a business owner. I can't be an influencer or someone that inspires people on a higher level until I get all the necessary characteristics and traits and adjectives to become that person. I'm really big on what you talk is what you should really be. And there's too many people that are spokesmen, mentors, that are not really what they are portraying other people to be. You can't teach what you're not. You can't produce what you're not. And so that's just where I'm at. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just hearing me talk and doing my makeup and just, yeah. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.